on our way to close our house that we bought. We got our key for our house. This is our sushi. I'm gonna buy an AirPods Pro kasi naka-sale siya. Bruno, my husband. Baby smile. Tuna carpaccio. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Looks good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
This is a seafood soup. That's tuna dynamite. And we're almost done with this tuna carpaccio. These are our appetizers. My water is blocking it. Beautiful. Wow, that's so hot. Oh, but it's so good. Is that good, babe? I don't think we ever had this before.
I think we did.
We did?
No, I think we had lobster.
This is our sushi. It's called volcano roll. Served on fire.
Oh, hot. Try it out with crab on it. Yeah.
I think I like this better than the oh my god roll, babe. I remember we had oh my god roll. I wasn't a fan. I got one more. Okay, this is my entree. I had chicken katsu because I was craving for something fried. And my husband ordered filet like all this. We're already getting so full. That's all we got.
They have different sauces here. This is demi-glaze.
My rice. You like it?
Scallop? Yeah.
Oh, there's a scallop too?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. Where was that? Oh, you already finished it. That's the last one. Husband finishes food. I'm taking mine to go. I was already so full. And I asked for a container for this sauce. It's really good. My food is really good. It's just didn't know it's a lot of food. This is our dessert. It's a chocolate banana spring roll. Yummy. Baby, what do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Ay, look. Mali. It's a big one. I don't taste the banana. Babe, can you not maintain? You always do that. We're on our way to close our house. We got our key for our house. We are on our way to the bank. It's my husband. We have to sign some paperwork. Still reading this Think and Grow Rich. Today, this morning, I finished the book Who Moved My Cheese. This one already sa chapter 98. Yeah, this is the lake. It's a beautiful day today, but medyo umaambon. Okay, we're done with the bank. We're going to the gym. This is the bank where we signed our paperwork for our other house. They also gave us cookies. Meron kaming cookies. They said that they bake that every day. Dito na kami sa bahay na binili namin. Yep. Let's go! Ito ang kanyang surroundings. Well, we bought this house para ibenta, i-flip. Just came from the gym. Don't know if you can see, but I'm still wearing my gym clothes. Pero this is the house that we bought. Yeah, waiting for my husband to open the door. This is our car. This is the surrounding of the area. Surrounding of the area. Tama ba yun? Anyway, ito na siya. Binili namin to para i-flip. And then maybe sell it in a month. After fixing it. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Ito yung kitchen niya. Na medyo maraming kailangan gawin. This is a laundry area. Yeah. Ditong area is yung dining. Ito yung living room. Let's go dito sa corridor. This is the first bedroom. Yeah, ganyan siya. Pininturahan na siya ng cellar. Yeah. Tapos ito yung kanyang closet. Pininturahan na siya kaya puro puti na lahat. Which is good. Di na namin kailangan trabahuin yan. Okay, this is the bathroom. Bathroom. Yeah, basic lang siya. Yep. And then, this is the second bedroom. Yeah. And then, basic lang din siya. Andito yung closet. Yep. Just kailangan pala namin bumili ng wire racks for that. Kailangan din namin bumili ng mga socket, like plates, cover plates for that. Tsaka, ayan. Very basic. Puti lahat. Di na siguro namin pipinturahan to. I don't know. We don't know yet. And this is the master's. Yeah, ito, meron siyang sariling CR. Tsaka, syempre, closet. Tsaka, meron ditong back door papunta sa backyard. Yep. This is the bathroom. Yeah. Compare sa una naming biniling property para i-flip, this is already in a better condition. I have a video nung unang property na binenta namin. Grabe, that was a disaster. Completely destroyed. I don't know how people can live in that place. Anyway, ito yung closet. Medyo malawak siya compare sa mga closet kanina. That's it. Yeah. Tomorrow, mag-start na sila mag-work dito. Ang mga workers, construction workers, para i-flip tong bahay. Yung unang bahay, they flipped it for 3 days. Was it only 3 days? I have my packet. Dito ako sa kusina namin. Kinat ko na yung box. Yay! Westman Atelier. Ito, merong little envelope. Ito lang naman yung item na binili ko. This is the second time I bought from their website. Maganda yung products nila. Let's open this. Sirain ko na lang kasi isang kamay lang yung gamit ko. Yeah. So, ito, bumili ako nito. Petite Petal Edition. Westman Atelier. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Yes, babe. Wait, I'm unboxing.
So we can do little tuna and
Yeah. So this has the blush, lipstick. Oh, meron palang light eh. And the lip liner. Gamitin ko siya today for work. I also have this foundation stick. I have hindi ko alam, tinted moisturizer ata to. Tsaka this one, concealer. And this one, this is free. Doo. Ang ganda ng shade nito. Meron akong freebie nito last purchase. So, yeah. Okay, those are the things I got. Wala na, papel na lang siya. From Westman Atelier. Yeah, dapat Dior yung bibilhin ko, but on sale kasi to. So, yeah. Dapat, alam mo, nagtitipid nga ako. Tapos, sabi ko, ay, mahal ng Dior. Tapos, ang nakita kong sale to, 30% sale. Ito ata, ayan, nakasale na to pag bundle. 30% discount. So, bumili ako ng 3 items, tapos free. Actually, meron pa ako isang binili. So, 4 items. Anyway, that's it. Mag-prepare na ako for work. I'm here at work, and I'm starting a new book. Actually, I brought 3 books. I have this. Binigay ito sa akin ng workmate ko. I also have this. Hindi ko pa rin siya tapos basahin. Mag-iisang buwan na. But, maybe ito yung babasahin ko right now. Yeah. We're here in the house again. My husband picked me up from work. Nakasuot pa ako ng uniform. And ang workers ay nag-start na sila mag-work. Tinanggal na nila yung flooring. Peel and stick lang pala yung nilagay doon. Anyway, dito kami sa loob. Well, dito kami sa bahay para i-check yung mga kailangan naming bilhin. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, meron ng progress. Tinanggal na nila yung flooring. Yeah, okay. Let's start counting stuff. Okay, we're gonna count stuff kung anong kailangan namin. This is me. We're here right now in Jeep dealership. Kailangan lang i-check ang sasakyan. This is me. We're getting our car back. They said kailangan nilang bilhin yung part na may sira. So, yeah, safe naman siyang i-drive. Yeah. Bakit? What are those? It's my husband. Okay. Are we going to eat or are we going to Costco?
No, we're going to Costco first.
This is what's in my bag today. I brought my iPad mini. Brought 2 books with me, Think and Grow Rich. My wallet. I have the Gospel of Mary Magdalene. My hairband. I have a water from the dealership. I have my AirPods there. And then these are my makeups here. Some minis. Yeah. We're on our way to Springfield to go to Costco. We're here in Costco to do our grocery. I'm gonna buy an AirPods Pro kasi naka-sale siya ng $50. Cool. Okay, show ko to later sa cashier. Okay, that's it. Speaking apricots, ito na yung laman ng cart namin. Salad, fruits. We just came here for fruits kasi wala na kaming prutas. Tsaka tubig. Thinking if I'm gonna get pork belly dahil ako ay nagbabawas ng timbang. Husband is getting water. Kunin ko tong ribs. Lagay ko dito para may space. So we got ribs, we got ceviche, tsaka 2 ahi tuna. Magkaibang flavor. Yan na yung laman ng karton. I also got some chicken there. Ito na lahat ng napamili namin. Bibilhan lang talaga namin ang shrimp yung kaibigan ko. Pero wala. We're just waiting for my AirPods. Kinukuha nila doon. Finally, mapapalitan after 5 years. Dito na siya. AirPods Pro 3. 2021 pa yung huli kong AirPods. So, nagamit ko na siya. It was really used and abused. Okay, lalagay ko dito yung mga frozen stuff. Babe, can you open the car? The door? Is it open? Okay, lagay ko muna ang aking bagelya sa loob. Ganda talaga na itong vlog na to. Galing ng Pinas yan. Okay, we loaded everything. We are going to eat. We're gonna eat Chinese food today. Punta kami sa Corner 21. This is the first time we're gonna try it. Gusto ko na bumili ng camera. Bili na kaya ako today. Para hindi ko na ito hinahawakan. Para nakalagay na lang siya dun. Diba? Inisip ko kasi baka ano lang to eh. Baka face lang to. Baka hindi naman ako tuloy-tuloy mag-vlog. Kagaya ng DJI Osmo ko. Bigla akong tinamad nung nabili ko. I'm still thinking. Isip pa. Tsaka kakabili ko lang ng isang Actually, hindi ko pala napakita dito. Pero mamaya papakita ko sa video. I mean sa bahay para i-videohan ko kung anong binili kong camera. Inaantay ko pa siya. Darating siya bukas. Bumili ako ng Fujifilm X-T50 and medyo may kamahalan siya. Gagamitin ko siya sa pag-travel. Pero bala ko na rin talaga bumili ng DJI Osmo Nano. So, yeah. It's just a matter of when. Thank you for this. Let me see the menu. Oh, they have hot tea. Thank you. I want that. Wait, they have chicken wings also, Asian style. They have duck. I miss Vegas. Yeah, makapal. Okay, basahin ko muna. Got our first plate. This is our appetizer. Siomai. They call it pork buns. Bakit buns? Di naman tinapay. But yeah, let's try it. Okay. Is it good?
No?
Gonna try it. Oh, yung duck here. How much is this? I think it's so sulit. Also ordered chili oil. Ang sarap na pagkain nila pero I'm craving for maanghang. Sobrang daming kanin. Oh my God. Ano ba yung kanin? Sobrang laki. That's so big. Okay, dito kami sa Best Buy. Cause gusto ko na talagang bumili ng camera. Bibili ako ng Osmo Nano. DJI Osmo Nano. Let's go! Tsaka medyo ang kalat ko. Hindi ko alam pa nakikita. Yeah. What? Dito ba yung binili kong camera? XS20. I was looking at this. Ah, ganito pala siya. XT5. XM5. Ah, maliit lang pala talaga yung XM5. Tsaka ito yung X-Hub. Wala yung X350. Anyway, I'm trying to find DJI. I was thinking about this. Kaya yung DJI. Di ko mahanap yung DJI. I found it! Ayan, ang gusto kong bilhin. Osmo. Meron ako nito. Binanta ko last year kasi wala. Ang hassle niya gamitin. Mas okay pa yung phone. Sana worth it to. 389. This is so beautiful. Akala namin mahal siya kasi KitchenAid. Pero abot kaya. 13.99. Yan, nabighan niya ako dito sa kulay nito. Pero ayaw namin ng gas kasi clumsy ako magluto. Baka maiwanan ko. Open na ang aking AirPods. Ay, hindi pala nakakit na. Pa rin tayo sa kotse. Pero pauwi na kami. Chideng! Haha! Thank you, Lord! Ano yun? Wala. Ay, mga buds. I didn't know there's an extra buds. I wonder if yung aking dati may extra buds din. Interesting. So, we already came home. Well, went home dahil dito kami sa gas station. Bumili kami ng energy drink. Punta kami ng Menards para tumingin ng mga materials. And this is me. Paggabi na. It's I think 7 o'clock. Almost 8 o'clock. 7:40. We've come here. In online in Menards, this is 83 here. We need toilet.
Yeah,
we need two.
11% off.
I know. I think that's the cheapest. Because they put the cheapest here, right? On the aisle. Is there more? Cheaper? Cheaper one. How many pieces for me? Flooring done. We picked this color. We were gonna get this one, which is mas gusto ko yung kulay kaso hindi kasha. Konti lang yung stock nila. Ayan lang. Pero eto, meron pa silang stock. So, yeah. Flooring is done. We need to get underlayment. Whenever we go to Menards, I always have to stop sa book section. Tingnan natin kung meron silang murder mystery. Tingnan ko kung wala pa ako neto sa bookshelf ko. Bili kaya ako. Dami ko pa kasing libro. Ang ganda ng cover neto Yes, I judge the book by its cover. Medyo mali-alikabok siya, girl. Another, if James Joyce and Agatha Christie had a literally love child, this would be it. Oh my God. Maganda kaya ito. We also need to buy some cabinets. Hindi ko alam kung nasa niya asawa ka. Nauna na siya kasi titingin ako ng libro. Found him. Sunset is beautiful. We already bought the flooring. Also, whenever you're shopping at Menards, don't forget your rebate. They always have 11% rebate. Also stopped by McDonald's for my caramel sundae. I'm craving for something sweet.